Well, the greatest benefit this course gives you is the flexibility to choose between either journalism or public relations. Your choice. Welcome to the world of Met Media. Journalism is one of the oldest professions in media. But today, public relations as a profession is growing at a very fast pace. What we do at MET IMM is constantly work with the industry and keep on developing newer and newer courses. And also revising, modifying the older courses to fit the industry requirements. Let's see what the industry professionals are speaking about this.
Understand one thing, guys. PR and journalism, they work in tandem. I being a sports journalist in my industry, sports industry, today, after spending about 10 years in sports journalism, the latest trend today is a lot of sports journalists move on to the PR industry. Obviously, a PR does fetch you a little more moolah than a journalist, but being a journalist does increase your credibility, 100-fold. In fact, if you're going on to be a journalist and later down the line you have to kind of merge both, you have to be a public relations professional, it will benefit you yourself. Because
we know that promotion, persuasion is now an inherent part of the work of journalists as well as of public relations people. The lines are getting blurred, and as a result of that, it is very, very necessary that all journalists have an understanding and exposure to the processes of persuasion which are followed in public relations, and all public relations people understand what are the frames, ideological or otherwise, which work for journalists and which don't work for journalists. And that is why it is very important for any media course for the journalist or the journalism students to learn what is public relations, and for public relations people to understand what is the ism in journalism.
Right, in the last 15 years, I've had so many students coming and asking me whether they should join public relations or journalism. The confusion is mainly because they are not sure, one, which career to take up, or they don't know where they would fit in. The answer to this is only one. It has to be a combined course in journalism and public relations. At MET IMM, we have done just that. We have an advanced diploma in journalism and public relations, which gives you complete, practical, hands-on training in both the professions, opening up so many avenues for you to choose from.